In front of me is REALME 9 Pro, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. So first of all, just open the settings, go to About Device, and now click on Version, right here. You will notice build number at the top of the list, so just tap on it 7 times. And then draw your unlock pattern if you have one, or provide your fingerprint ID to unlock developer options. Let me go back. And from now on, you will be able to find developer options under System Settings. Here they are, so you can smoothly click and use all of the options. Just like this, and then you can switch something the same way. To lock developer options again, just use the stop switcher, and as you can see, they are no longer accessible. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.